in the figure below, the point P minus 5 and B, that over there, is plotted on the Cartesian plane, as we can see, with OP having a length of 13 units and angle ROP, or alpha. Well, at least that's what it's equal to. So without using a calculator, what they want from us is to determine the following ratios. That would be cosine of alpha as well as tan of 180 degrees minus alpha. So, well, let's get down to what they want from us. So that's negative 5. And what they want is this y value over there. Well, y squared we know would then equal 13 squared as the hypotenuse, and then we subtract that, negative 5 all squared, and give credit where credit is due, in this case Pythagoras. Well, that's just 169, and then we are subtracting 25, which means this is 144, not forgetting that it's y squared. Thusly y is equal to plus or minus 12 if we take a square root to both sides. Also remember, we'll have positive 12 because clearly we are dealing with a value that's above the x-axis and therefore also positive. Well, given all of that, we can now just read the values for 5.1.1. So let's just do that. 5.1.1. Cosine of anything is adjacent over hypotenuse, which means it's negative 5 over 13. It's that over there. And for 5.1.2, they want tan of 180 degrees minus alpha. Well, we can just take a reduction to this because we don't want to deal with 180 degrees minus alpha. Tan is negative in the second quadrant. Here we are. So that's just going to be negative tan of alpha. Well, the tan of alpha portion is easy to do. That's going to be 12 over negative 5. So let's just do that. 12 over negative 5. Which means we end up with 12 over 5. And that right there is as easy as that's ever going to be.